Add effects to videos before converting with Prism. To add effects to your videos in Prism, start by importing your video files and clicking the Effects button. Click Add Effects button where you can select and adjust effects to your liking. Once you're satisfied, click OK to apply them. You can preview the changes, add multiple effects, and edit or remove them as needed. After finalizing the effects, choose your desired output format and click Convert. Continue watching for more details on how to add effects to your videos before converting with Prism. Begin by importing the video files you want to edit in Prism. You can do this by clicking the Add Files button at the top of the screen, or simply dragging and dropping your videos directly into the window. To select all videos, press Ctrl+A or hold the Control key while selecting specific videos. Next, click the Effects button at the bottom of the screen. This will open the Video Effects dialog, where you can modify your video with a variety of effects. In the dialog, click the Add Effect button. A list of available effects will appear. Browse through the list and select the one you'd like to apply to your video. You can then adjust the effects settings to your liking, such as modifying intensity, color, or speed, depending on the effect. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK to confirm your changes. The effect will appear in the command list with the settings you input. If you'd like to add more effects, simply click Add Effect again and repeat the process. You can continue adding as many effects as you like. If you need to make changes to an effect, just select it from the list and click Edit Effect. You can adjust its settings as needed. To remove an effect, select it and click Remove Effect. To see how your video looks with the added effects, you can preview it on the right side of the screen. Select the Output Video Preview radio button and use the play controls to watch the video with the effects applied. If you want to see the original video without effects, select the Original Video Preview radio button. Once you're satisfied with the results, click OK to finalize the settings. In the file list, a check mark will appear in the Effects column, indicating that an effect has been added to a file. Then, choose your desired output format from the drop-down menu near the bottom of the screen. After that, click Convert to start the conversion process. Finally, when the conversion is complete, click the Open Output folder button to view your newly converted video files. For more Prism tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.